Supposed to be going walking today. Look at that blue sky. And look at that over there. Could be changing. You might have to cancel. Panic over. Made it without getting wet. I'm thinking of buying this book about Miriam Margolyes. She's quite a funny woman. I've never seen her on the TV. Should be quite interesting in that. I'm going to try and do the full circuit today. I'm against the clock. I'm against darkness. I've got about 5 hours. 5.5 hours before it goes dark. Can I do it safely? That's where I'm heading today on my own. A last minute walk. It looks alright. At the moment it's not raining up there, but who knows what will happen. It's now just after 1:30 in the afternoon. It goes dark at 6:50. So I'm going to crack on at a decent pace. See how far I can get. I'm doing it on my own. I've been let down. None of the lads want to do it. Too cold for them and too wet. There's a little bit of flood water down there. And you can hear the little stream that's running a little bit harder and faster than normal. I feel like Bear Grylls. Up to stage 1 so far. The rain's holding off. So glad I made the effort. It's got out nice. Let me see if the coin's still here. Is it there? It's still there. Well, it would be, wouldn't it? There's no one daft enough to go and look for that little coin. Only me. Now, one of my subscribers, old Harry, wanted me to test the zoom out on this camera, so I'm going to do it and point towards the summit of Clogher. That was the camera. I only did it to 10 times zoom and the quality deteriorated. It goes 30 times, waste of time. But within the space of 60 seconds, you see the weather coming in behind me. It's not looking good over there. That is Ingleborough in the distance, Morecambe Bay and Blackpool. Look at this now, hailstorm coming in. I've had to take shelter behind this little trig point. I'm not at the top yet, the top's up there, but I've got I've got to get. I've made a decision. I'm heading back down. It's absolutely freezing. No gloves. My hands are absolutely dropping off. So as you can see, I'm cracking on with this lot. Hopefully I will get most of this done today. Clean this wall up and put my flags down like a stepping stone path along the drive. I've got about another 3 or 4 flags to put down. I am a layer of cement on top of this wall to raise it up so it goes above the wood next door. The rubble to dig, don't you agree? What move is that from? Survived in that pot. It's almost the end of September. There won't be many more days like this, so I'm gonna cut my hedge. If I have time, creosote the fence and creosote this decking. I hate cutting this hedge, but it's got to be done. Look at that spider's web there. What a place to put it. There's one there as well. This is the quickest way of doing it. I know it's not decking paint, it's creosote, will do the job. I bought that decking paint once before, diamond finish, waste of money. This is a lazy way of doing it. It all runs down from top to bottom. Gravity. Gravity always wins in the end. So that's the fence creosoted all the way around the garden. The hedge cut. Got to burn these pallets. We'll do that next week. So that's the garden tidied up. Next year I'll be able to concentrate more on improving the quality of the plants, because this year I've let it go a little bit The simple reason, I replaced my garage roof, replaced the shed. I've been working on the drive. So everything next year will be finished, and I will have more time to concentrate, like I say, on improving the quality of the plants. Right, that is the end of my September plan experiment for getting fit and losing weight. How much have I lost? Well, at its peak, halfway through the month, I had lost 3¾ kilos. But towards the end of the month, I lost the plot and started eating again, so put a little bit more weight on. What I've actually lost in the month is a disappointing 2¾ kilos. It's better than nothing, but I could have done a lot better. But what messed it up for me was that the car fucked up, cost me almost £1,000. I needed some new brakes and the clutch went. So that did my head in and took my eye off the ball. As for training in here, I've just done a few days. I can't get into it. So it's a bit disappointing, but I have lost weight. I'm going to keep it up. I'm going to try over the winter months, get in here and just try and keep it up. And on this channel I have gained no subscribers in a month. Never mind, never mind, over and out.